Hey guys, hope you are doing well today, having an amazing day. So the crypto market is just in a corrective move after Amazon denying the crypto payment launch in this year. So let's get into our news, but the market looks good. The sentiment is getting bullish, and also we have some bullish signs for Ethereum and for other altcoins. So let's share my screen and let's get into our news today. So as you see on our favorite bubble chart that most of the altcoins are in red. So after the yesterday huge run up, most alts are correcting, and just X is infinity and OKX coin and HT is pumping, and most other coins are just in a corrective move, -5 or 10%. So let's see. Also Bitcoin and Ethereum also is correcting. Ethereum is correcting more than Bitcoin, but yeah. So after yesterday, there was a rumor that Amazon will accept crypto, but we will go into the news. Let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. And you see that now we are at 32, and we haven't been at 32 for a while now. So after 1 month now we are about 32. So we are just in a fear category. And also yesterday that was 26. But the fear and greed index spent most of the times around 20 in the extreme fear category in the past 2.5 months. And also as we check on a higher time frame, then you see that this time is much longer than we have seen during the Corona dump and also during the 2018 bear market. So this fear and greed index, it's now just getting in the fear category. So we see some good signs to recover. So our first news, sentiment turns bullish as Bitcoin rockets past 38,000 US dollar eToro crypto roundup. Okay, so 25% weekly gains, that's huge. And also last Wednesday we had Elon Musk on the Beaver conference, and also that was the news that Amazon is hiring a blockchain expert, and also other Amazon related rumors from insider, but Amazon came out, but we will go deep in that news. So layer 2 solutions like Polygon went up 25% gains yesterday, Stellar 30%. So that's huge. Also there was a news that Stellar is acquiring MoneyGram, and also Ethereum celebrated large goals. So let's check what else do we have. Also there was a news from Twitter. Jack Dorsey said that Bitcoin will be a big part of the Twitter and Square's futures. And now we are getting closer to Ethereum London hard fork, and that will be huge because the highly anticipated Ethereum improvement proposal 1559 will be upgraded and is scheduled for 4th of August. Okay, so that sounds good, and let's see what else do we have. BTC price burns bears en route to 40,000 US dollar. 5 things to watch in Bitcoin this week. Okay, so what are these 5 things? Bitcoin sets eyes on 40,000 yesterday evening before Amazon denied these crypto payments rumors that before Bitcoin reached 40,500, and from that started to just dropping back to 36,000, but we will check the charts. Okay. Some are doing great in their BTC pairs as Cardano and Ethereum are bouncing nicely. Great. Okay, crypto ad is saying, for those who follows Elliott wave, technically spoken, the move to new lows is still possible as long as we don't break white 2. But based on the lower time frame labeling of this impulse move, I would expect a break above 2 and invalidating the move out to 26 and 27,000 regions. So let's check these charts and see what this level 2 is, what Bitcoin should invalidate. So, okay, so if we are following Elliott waves, that the Bitcoin should come down to 60 to 26, then 27-ish level. But if Bitcoin would reach these levels about 41,000 according this Elliott wave, then it will just cancel this scenario and just shooting up towards 20,000 regions. So that would be great. And let's see what else do we have. China dampens stock sentiment. So rising stock have been accompanied by flat or even negative performance in BTC USD pairs. A crackdown from Beijing has oversold previous strength in United States markets. And yeah, US dollar is also worth paying attention to its short term because US dollar is getting stronger, and the US currency index, the DYOR-DX, is expected to hit local highs around the 94 mark before falling again. So for a long term, in the near future, we can expect that the US dollar will strengthening against other currencies, and that can cause price drops on the stock market and also on the commodity market. Okay, expecting DYOR-DX to drop more in coming days, BTC should see more relief bounce because of that. Okay, so as tweeted a couple of times before, real strength for crypto returns when DYDXI completed the move by the red box and goes for the green box. So when the DYDX just completed this movement to upwards and coming down to the green box, then we can expect some nice rally on the stock market and also on crypto market. So wrecked, Bitcoin brings shorters maximum pain. Yeah, so there was a news that totaled 1.1 billion US dollar were liquidated on Monday, on yesterday. 111 million US dollar of shorts liquidated in 10 minutes. Analyst William Clementi added. So also you see this chart. So that was the huge liquidation, and you see that just within 10 minutes, 100 million of shorts were liquidated. Difficulty set to turn positive after 2 months. Also, this can support the Bitcoin price. The hash rate is approaching 100 exahashes per second. Again, a positive sign that has been accompanied by increasing decentralization of hash rate overall. So we see the difficulty is dropping, and record fear continues. So yesterday also the fear and the green index was just measured 26 per 100, so signaling fear, but it's not that huge fear as it was before. But we see that we are in this fear more than 2.5 months for now. Okay, the next piece of news about Ethereum. Ethereum price analyzes ETH turns positive about 2,000 US dollar. So the key resistance is 2,000 US dollar against the US dollar. Okay, and this is the 55 simple moving average. Also here, and also we have another support at 2,220. And let's see, Ethereum price formed a base about the 720 level, and it started a major recovery. Okay, a high was formed near 2,444 before the price corrected lower. Okay, the price is not trading below. Okay, yeah, so this is how it was the corrective move. It seems to be that it broke this trend line, but now we are above this trend line. Okay, the 4-hour MACD is in the bearish zone. The 4-hour RSI is near to 50 level, and key supports 20,080 and 20,000 US dollar zone. Key resistance 2,000, sorry, not 20, 2,080 and 2,000 zones, 2,250 and 2,350 are the support zone, but we will check it on the trading view. Technical analysis. Bitcoin tops near 40,000. Why BTC remains well supported? Okay. So the Bitcoin price corrects gains. That was a huge resistance at 33,000, and now we just retested 36,500. And yeah, so this was the corrective move. This was because the Amazon denied these rumors that they will accept crypto for payments. And then this support zone acted as a support zone. Also, you see that here are some Fibonacci levels on the charts. Deep limited in BTC. If Bitcoin fails to climb about the 38 and 38,500 resistance levels, it could continue to move down. An initial support on the downside is near the 36,500 levels, and the next near support is 36,000 zones. So 36,500 and 36,000 are crucial supports. MACD now is based in a bearish zone, and yeah, as I mentioned, support levels and resistance 38,000, 38,500 and 40,000 levels. Okay, so what else do we have? Interesting thing that how the 55% Bitcoin correction revives comparison to past bull cycles. Let's see how we had past bull cycles, and we have some corrective moves. So if we are just putting these trend lines, that we can expect Bitcoin price to reach almost 300 and 400,000 levels. Will the parabolic curve in crypto behave the same way again? So this is the parabolic curve. Yes, there is no denying this recent market cycle is very different than the last, but the recent 55% collapse has made things a lot more similar in scope. Okay. Cool. So that's the news. And let's go forward. Ethereum improvement proposal 3675 for the ETH 2.0 merge launches on GitHub. The coming ETH 2.0 proof of stake chain merge now has an Ethereum improvement proposal. Yeah. The long period of running without failures demonstrates the sustainability of the Beacon chain system and witnesses its readiness to start driving and become a security provider for the Ethereum mainnet. So I think the testing is working well, and now it's getting ready to merge both of the networks. Okay. According to staking rewards, Cardano has the largest stake capitalization with 24 billion and 62% of supply locked. Solana ranks with third, 10 billion from 74%, followed by Polkadot with 9 million from 63%. So interesting data. And Ethereum has almost 13 billion logged, and this is just the 6% of the total circulating supply. So Ethereum has much more space to grow and lock up more Ethereum and stake it. The next piece of news: China crackdown signals an oncoming Bitcoin ban, Bobby Lee says. Okay. China has been increasing its regulatory pressure on crypto firms to help Chinese citizens stay clear of high-risk investments. China wants to regulate cryptocurrencies to achieve its overarching goal of globalization of digital RMB. So this is the case. China banned Bitcoin mining. China banned OTC trading because they want people not to touch crypto, but they want people transacting and using their national digital RMB. Bitcoin is not a direct competition to the digital yuan. I don't think that the currency industry will suffer from Chinese pullback. So this is from Bobby Lee, and Bobby Lee was the first who launched the first exchange in China that time. The next piece of news: global crypto ATM installations have increased by 70% in 2021. Installations of over 10,000 new crypto ATMs worldwide, with the United States taking the lead. So lots of new Bitcoin and crypto ATMs getting just installed, and then you can also cash out if you want, but I think it's better to use directly with your Visa card or MasterCard, or even directly pay with your crypto. But you can see more and more ATMs. I also saw that there will an ATM that you can just put scroll down your coins, just put your coins in, put your changes in, and then you will get some crypto. Okay, what's this? Something not good with this news. Okay, so then I will leave it open. So after yesterday news that Amazon will accept Bitcoin, crypto, and other crypto payments, and also they are working on their tokens, the news came out that Amazon denies rumored plans for Bitcoin support. Despite rejecting rumors, the e-commerce giant will soon support Bitcoin payments. As spokesperson for Amazon has said, the firm is still interested in crypto space. So here they are rejecting that they are doing that crypto payments that came out with this rumor, but also they will support Bitcoin payments because they are interested in crypto space. Okay, notwithstanding our interest in the space, the speculation that has ensued around our specific plans for cryptocurrencies is not true. So I think that these rumors came out, these leaks came out really early. We remain focused on exploring what this could look like for customers shopping on Amazon. Okay. Bitcoin rose by 12% in 1 hour, leading the increase because Chinese have just gotten up. It's obvious that the price of Bitcoin has started to rise after this rumor about Amazon spread in the Chinese community. Nice that actually see that also we have China pump, unless they are just cracking down on Bitcoin. And that was the initial news that an insider confirmed that they are lining up with crypto payments and also with developments accepting their crypto, their own crypto, and also that Jeff Bezos himself directing these developments directly. So, maybe something's true from this, maybe something not. Maybe it was too early that this information was leaked out, but we'll see. So I think there should be something with Amazon. So I don't think that they are not doing anything. They are not caring about this crypto Bitcoin related thing. So I'm sure that they are doing something, but now they denied because I think the information was leaked way before that they would be ready to launch all this, or maybe they want just announce it on an official way and not just with this leaking out. So yesterday also there was a news that Tether FUD, recycled as DOIG, is allegedly probing the executives over possible bank fraud. So that was the news yesterday, that Tether executives under federal criminal investigation report says, and most all the major new media outlets just publish this news, and it seems that maybe they want to create some fear with this news, but this is how I felt. So, but I think it's nothing new here. And also there was an investigation against Tether last, and then it's closed with a settlement. But now they are doing this other investigation and probe. So some people have dismissed this development as a recycled Tether FUD, while some are curious to know how this case will unfold in the future. So I wouldn't pay too much attention to this. That Tether is the biggest stablecoin, and Tether is not based in the United States, and most of the and this is how the funny thing, because Tether is the biggest USD stablecoin. So this is the biggest crypto assets that mimicking the US dollar, and it's not based in the US. And also US regulators don't have any access to analyze the details or get more information. So I think this is the biggest cause behind this. And as we check that who owns Tether, Tether was built by Tether Holding Ltd, the company based in British Virgin Islands and Hong Kong. And yeah, and few gentlemen and the CTO Paolo Ardonio, who is representing also Bitfinex. So not too much information, but as you see that Tether is located not in the US, and I think this is one of the main problem, that a company is running the biggest crypto US dollar mimicking coin, but it's not based in the US. Okay, let's check our next news. Vermont is fourth state to target BlockFi's Bitcoin savings accounts. Vermont joins New Jersey, Alabama, and Texas in pushing against BlockFi's interest accounts. Okay. So I think I see that BlockFi, offering huge interest on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, and also on stablecoins. And they are doing that because they can use that money on the leverage market, and they can borrow and lend out on the market, and earning some interest, and also providing this interest to their clients. So I don't see any issue with this, but these states just stating that this is a unregistered security or something like that. But I wouldn't think that what BlockFi is doing is that. I'm convinced that as they are operating in the US, somehow they are regulated, and so we'll see. But states can decide that not providing services, but it's it's really a bit insane that in the neighboring states that citizens can use this service, but let's say in Texas you cannot use it. So this is how they are going after BlockFi, but I'm sure that BlockFi will solve all these issues. So the next piece of news about World Economic Forum outlines speed of Cardano, XRP, Solana, Celo, Algorand. So they wrote wrong because Algorand and Stellar Lumens. Okay, so they published a community paper, and this is a Swiss-based international organization to public-private cooperation looks at smart contract platform Cardano and provides details on the number of transactions it can process per second. Okay. So they are introducing most of these blockchains, that how many transactions they can do, how fast they are, what they are used for, fast transaction times with ability to scale, and usage of the protocol grows without relying on layer 2 system or sharding. So this is Solana, Celo. They are describing the speed of Algorand. Okay. XLM, Stellar Lumen, it's almost similar like Ripple. So, but I don't know what is the aim of this document. You can open this document. It is in the article. So if you are opening this, describing that, it will direct you to this page, and you can download this PDF. So cryptocurrencies, a guide to getting started. And good to see that the World Economic Forum doing a kind of research and content about cryptocurrencies. Global Future Council on Cryptocurrencies. Okay. The executive summary says, as cryptocurrencies transform how we trade, transact, and interact online, it has become more important than ever for technology leaders to have experience with this innovation. So good to see that the World Economic Forum is doing this and spreading information about cryptocurrencies and how they can be beneficial in the usage. So, okay, guys, let's check how the Bitcoin and Ethereum price is performing. So on CoinGecko, we see that most of the coins and Bitcoin and Ethereum are down in the past 24 hours, but they gained a nice 20% plus in 1 week. We remember that last week on Monday and Tuesday that there was this huge dump and huge fear on the market, but now Bitcoin is bounced and broke up from this descending wedge, and you see that it almost reached our price target, and now it has stopped before 21,000 US dollar, because the 21,000 US dollar, it's a huge horizontal level, and also the 41,000 US dollar and 42,000 US dollar levels are crucial resistance, and now Bitcoin is in this range. Also, it can happen that will come back, but as we see on the 4-hourly chart, that you will see that after Amazon denied that they will not provide crypto payments this year, and also this Tether FUD came out, we see that Bitcoin price dropped to 36,300 and then bounced there, and now we are in this zone. It's a kind of consolidation going on, and we'll see that from here Bitcoin will bounce back or going and just breaking this 31,000 resistance, or at least trying to break that resistance. For now, these 35,000 levels are crucial supports. So Bitcoin should hold these levels to remain bullish, and then we can just entertain the idea if we are seeing a trend reversal here or we are still in the downtrend. A lot of depending on how Bitcoin will hold about 35,000 US dollar. Let's see the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is increasing. As you see, it just broke up from this symmetrical triangle, and now it's pointing to 50 levels. So if it would run up, that would cause more altcoin dump, and yeah, so and maybe from that after we can see some nice altcoin. But for now, altcoins are lagging behind Bitcoin. Let's check these Bitcoin short positions. So we see that that was a short squeeze, and most of the shorts are disappeared from Bitfinex. But also I saw a chart that on Bybit, maybe it was from Willy Woo, on Bybit, there was the most of the shorts that were liquidated, and newbie traders get wrecked because most of the shorts that were liquidated is from Bybit. So you should be very careful and don't chase these bonuses and other YouTubers, because if you are panic buying or panic selling and you don't know what you are doing, then you can lose your entire deposit. So nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. It's only for education and entertainment purposes, but be careful with leverage trading. Cake is doing well, so it's also bounced from support last week from 11 US dollar, and now just consolidating in this formation. And Ethereum, so let's check Ethereum on Bitstamp. So you see that Ethereum just formed this double bottom and also this W pattern, and now just stopped at the neckline of this W. So maybe it's preparing to get some strength as we are getting closer to the London hard fork that will happen next week on 4th of August. So that is why we can expect that Ethereum from this formation, if it would go back to 2,400, then it would be a nice move to run up to 3,000 US dollar levels. But if not, that Ethereum can come back and retest these 2,000 levels. 2,000 is a huge horizontal support, and also we see that these downward trend lines are almost at 2,000 levels. And also we see that 2,130, there is a Fibonacci level, so that should hold the Ethereum price. Okay, guys, so that's it for today. Hope you liked. Please smash the like button, subscribe on the channel, push the bell notification all, that you will be notified whenever we are going live or uploading a video. And be sure, just join CorionX Money in the Right Direction. We are sharing different crypto-related news and also news about CorionX, that how you can farm, let's say how you can farm on Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum, and also you can check our nice farms that you can farm your LP tokens also on Uniswap, on Ethereum, and also on PancakeSwap, and you can earn 330%, so then nice. And also if you just want staking, that you can stake your tokens for 100% APR. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. See you tomorrow. Cool. Thank you for smashing the like and subscribing. Bye bye.